Okay, this is just a short video about this old skill saw. I found it. It's been left outside and things like that. Anyway, I could tell that the bearing was going out in it, and when I started to take it apart, if you've ever done this before, it looks the way it is. A little rusty from being outside, but if you can see down in there, I don't know if you can, that is all mangled. And the plastic part that houses the bearing, I don't know if you can see that, it's melted all around there. Try to hold it still if you can see that. You know, the light isn't perfect out here. Got the flashlight, but I mean, where the bearing seats in there, you know, see if you can see that, it's all melted in there. See that? And the bearing seats down in there, and I can't even get the bearing, just fell apart when I pulled it all out, you know. So bear with me here, I'm doing this from my phone and stuff. So, but look, so you can see down in there how it's all melted. See all that crud that looks right? That's just pieces of the bearing that are still in there, you know. So I'm trying to you know, maybe I need to shave that stuff off of there to get them bearing parts out of there. But I don't know if a new bearing is going to seat in there, you know, and stay there. Where can I look at it? Right here. You know, let me shine the light on it. You'll be able to see it better. See that? See all that crud? You know, all that crud right there. Yeah, that's not crud, it's plastic, melted plastic. So anyway, I'm gonna try to see if I can get that out of there. You know, the old bearing parts, I mean, all the balls all just fell out, you know, when I, you know, took it apart. See, oh, you can see it real good right there. That's all melted, you know, where it houses that, you know, the bearing in there. It was making all kind of noise, and it was scaring me. I thought the blade was gonna come flying off. So I took it apart. Anyway, it's just an old piece of crap saw, but it was kind of neglected. It still runs, but if I can find a bearing, I'll try to put one in there. Maybe an old junky saw or something, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, if anybody's got any ideas, you know, maybe some kind of bushing in there or something like that, you know, maybe. I'm not sure. See that? Yeah. Yeah, you can see all that crud. Anyway, it's a good old saw, you know. But it was cut, and I cut a lot with it, but I knew it was going out. So anyway, that's the brand. It's a 13 amp, 2.3 horse, you know, regular old saw, you know. So I'll put this on there, you know, just as a short video. You know, the brushes look real good, you know, as far as that goes. Just got to get them bearing parts out of there. See how this is all rusty and things and stuff and everything. Rusty in there. Kind of dirty. But it should be alright. I mean, the motor runs good and everything. So anyway, if anybody's got any ideas, leave me a comment or something like that and tell me, you know, maybe how I can go about that before I start carving on it and then find out that the bearing's not going to fit. Give it a try. I've never had it melt like that before. Somebody really ran it while it, you know, must have been making noise, and they ran it anyway. So, you know, that's what happens. You know, it's just gonna tear it up even worse. So okay, thanks. We'll check it out. You know, see what we can come across. All right.